This is Tom Moody with Kelly Roofing, and we are doing a roof inspection here at 917 Roseate Drive. Okay, so the type of roof that you currently have is what we refer to as a 3-tab shingle. What these shingles are, like you see, there's 1, 2, and 3 tabs right there. That's all that makes up the shingle. This is only rated for 60-mile-an-hour winds. As you know, we get a lot of high wind events down here in South Florida. So as we had discussed earlier, you were interested in going with a metal roof. Due to the fact that we do live in a hurricane-prone area, I think this is going to be the best option. All right, as you can see here, as well as here, you have lost some shingles, most likely due to the high winds. And with it only being rated for 60 miles an hour, it's no surprise that, with some of the storms we've had recently, you can lose some shingles. What you're looking at right here is exposed fasteners. And the reason these are bad is because over time, those fasteners start to work their way out with the everyday expansion and contraction of the roof. And as that fastener works its way out, there's a hole where water can get in, and that area is actively leaking. Right now, you have 1 and 2 satellite dishes that are currently mounted on the actual roof. And right here you can see there used to be another one there. You can see the outline of the mounting bracket as well as the screws that were used to hold it down. At the time of re-roof, we would recommend you call your cable company and have them mount any of the satellite dishes that you are planning on using in the future to the fascia board on the side of the home as opposed to on top of the roof. That way we can prevent putting any kind of holes through the actual metal. Alright, on the rear of the home near the lanai, you have what is referred to as a flat roof because it is flat. This is what's called a modified asphalt rolled roofing. And one thing we know about asphalt is that it relies on oil to hold the material together. So just like when you're in the kitchen cooking and you put oil into some boiling water, the oil always rises to the top. The same thing applies here. Whenever rain sits on the flat roof and puddles, it starts to extract the oil, causing the material itself to break down. As we look here at the seams, which is one of the first places where a flat roof is going to start to fail, you see there's tons of cracks all the way along this. Over time, those cracks get bigger and bigger, and water is able to work its way directly underneath. We also know that on a flat roof, the second area, or even the first area, that it starts to fail is around the perimeter edges, right here at the corner especially. So if you come over here and take a look, a lot of times you can actually just lift, oh wow, yeah, this comes right up. That should not happen. All this material should be flat, adhered fully to the deck, so this area is definitely a high leak. This concludes our roof inspection. Please refer to the proposal, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 239-913-9898.